Ladies and gentlemen, I got a new hood for the Accord from the junkyard, but it looks so good. It's a different color, but we're gonna be doing a complete color change, so it don't even matter. But look how clean it is. No dents. It does have some rust spots from debris, but we'll be able to take those down to bare metal, no problem. But it's gonna save us so much time because the one we have right now, look at it, how terrible it is. So all these little white spots are what's called crow's feet, and that means that there's damage all the way down to the metal. But yeah, there's a lot of work to do, so let's get after it. And now you can really see how straight it is. Look at that shit. God damn. All right, guys, I'm almost done. I had to go down to the 220 grit, something a little more aggressive to cut quicker, but you can see I circled. I have 3 here and a couple left over there. And then this whole front end, all the little chips right here, and that's pretty much along the whole, look, you can see another one along the whole front end. So honestly, it's probably a good idea to take pretty much like all it down to bare metal up to here. Oh yeah, and although it looks patchy, it is straight. So that's another I know I mentioned it, but I want to stress that because I mean, other than the fucking little chips that it's had, it's in such good shape, man. I couldn't have asked for a better fucking head. Let's see what we got. We got something right there. Another one right there. See, that's why I wanted to clean this shit off, because otherwise I'm not gonna be able to see all this stuff. Still got another one right there. 2 more. But yeah, that's just the front though. The rest of it, like the back 3/4 of it's finally done. I made sure of that. I inspected it like 50 fucking times. Now you guys know why bodywork takes so long, because it just has to, we're trying to go for a show car finish, man. We're either gonna go fucking all the way in balls deep, or we're not gonna go at all, you know what I'm saying? And we're going all the fucking way, baby. All right, well, there's the finished product. She is fully ready for the high build primer, man. 2 light coats, same thing as the fender and the door, just enough to cover the bare metal. I don't know what the hell happened there. That was like a blob of fucking primer that I used the fucking napkin on. But I can't leave it. Like, I'm gonna have to fix it. My fucking mind, I'm gonna be thinking about that shit all night. All right, I'm gonna use a 320. I'm gonna lightly try to fucking just get this off. Just enough to make it smooth. And then I'll just give it a quick little spray with the primer again. Goddamn thing. I mean, it's no big deal. It's smooth now right there. It's just a little setback, you know what I mean? I'm not even pressing, I'm just letting the sandpaper do the work. Cool, that should be good. All right, she's wiped down. I just gotta hit it again real quick, make sure. Cool, that's it. Now, on to arguably the most important part of the whole build. be using fucking daddy long neck over here because we're gonna need all the power to try to pull that shit. So after pulling about 50 times, let's see how this fits. Cause I mean, even if we could cover that, it has these 3 other ones and I could throw some like double-sided 3M tape on there. Damn, that's actually not bad. It covers a lot of it. So now it's just this part that's all messed up. But it's just so thick right there at the seam. I mean, there's not much to do. I'm just gonna have to take that down to metal and then just fix it with filler. Fuck it. All right, but now that we have the game plan for that, I'm gonna go back to this front side here and then wipe down to see if I'm gonna have to go down to bare metal right here because I think we might have some crow's feet damage here as well. All right, let's see what we got here. Hopefully we don't got nothing too crazy under here. Now we just have to wait for it to dry a little bit. You can already see them. Yeah, fucking A, man. Look at that shit. I wonder if there's anything where I'm not gonna have to go down to bare metal, dude. Shit. But I mean, at this point, it don't even matter. I'm hella deep into it, so let's just fucking go. Alright guys, I want to show you where we're at. So we got the rear quarter mostly to primer in this spot, and I think that's about where it's going to be good, which is a good sign because I didn't want to have to, I mean, if I have to, obviously I'm going to do it, but I didn't want to have to take it all the way down to metal again back here. But it seems like if we just take it down to the primer, it's going to be good because you could still see like these spots that show up where the red is, but where the primer is, it looks like it's good to go, baby. All right, well, that actually looks pretty cool. But now it's for the moment of truth. It's time to see if we still got those crow's feet, man. Goddamn, I'm praying. Let's see what we got. Spray this shit down. I'm nervous. Come on, baby. Well, looks pretty good so far. I got a little bit still wanting to show there. Some here. God, for the most part though, it looks pretty fucking good. It looks pretty good. Hell yeah. Alright, cool. Well, that was quick and easy. I just wanted to level it out a little bit without having to bend it, like spend all that time bending it back. That way I could have a smoother surface. Like when I go and start sanding by hand, it's not getting all caught up on those shit. Look at this. It looks like I have sleeves, bro. Look at the pants and the shoes by the wheel and shit. Let's go. All right, guys, Finally, it is done. Oh my God, it took so many hours to do this shit, but look it, compared to what we had, I mean, I know it looks all spotty and shit, so the camera don't really do it justice, but I'll put up the before so you guys can see, and then now the after. But god damn, man, like I said, that is the biggest job of the whole car, because from here, like, all this is straight. I'm gonna take this pillar all down to bare metal with the 180 because that has a bunch of crow's feet on it too, but that'll be super easy. I even got up in here, took that down to bare metal. Alright guys, it's all sanded down with 320 grit, and now it's the most satisfying part, just spraying the self-etching primer, and yeah, this side will finally be done. All right, well, there's the finished product. God, man, this shit feels so satisfying to finally be done with this fucking side. It's been so much work. I did a pretty thick layer here because this was all down to bare metal. That looks really good. And then this part, man, I know, I mean, the hole is huge because I grinded it out instead of bending it back, but man, so much straighter than it was. That looks so good. Hell yeah. God damn.